folks, how you doing today? As you know, we're always trying to buy really super good advertising for your walls. You see what we do here at the Mantiques Network. If you're going to have all this fine equipment, you need to decorate and paint your walls. Here's another great example. This is a 1904 TELONETTE Cigar Store Advertising, or Cigars Advertising. When I bought this was in its entirety. It's about this big. It is actually a printer's proof because it had the little X's here, the little X's here, and then in the close-ups you'll see there's still some little lines from the printers. It was about this big, and the image was in this position, and the balance of it was white. So I sent it out to my expert framer. I had him hand cut this first black mat here, and then we did a suede black outer along with a gold trim inside. So this was all hand cut. We did not do anything to the original print. It is still back there. It will come right out. We did not destroy it. We just hand did the mat over it. 1904, this is a very, very almost mint piece of advertising. It's got the elephant wearing a sideshow banner holding up the cigars. It's Havana's blend, and they're out in New York. So it's got all kinds of great things going for it. The elephant, beautiful, almost mint piece of advertising. And I had it clearly professionally framed by my framer. He did a beautiful job, I might add. So if you're looking for the good advertising, folks, and you like cigar stuff, and you know, the elephant thing is, I understand it when I bought this, somebody said that they have put out a whole bunch of books on cigar advertising, that on one of the collector's books, this piece was on the cover. I have not been able to find it. If you can find it, send me a picture of it. I'll add it to our listing. Great piece of advertising. Like I said, you need to start decorating like we do. That's what makes things cool. Beautiful piece.
This is a really nice. We put this up on social media yesterday before I got the pricing, and it kind of blew up. Everybody was talking about how great it is. So for you 5 guys that can afford it,
Antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.